Nalysts see $1.52 EPS for Equifax Inc. EFX. Last week Dialight PLC, LON Analysts. Analysts expect Equifax Inc., New York Stock Exchange EFX, to report $1.52 EPS on October 25. They anticipate 8 cents EPS change, or 5.56% from last quarter's $1.44 EPS. EFX's profit would be $183.37 million, giving it 17.25 PE, if the $1.52 EPS is correct. After having $1.60 EPS previously, Equifax Inc.'s analysts see -5.00% EPS growth. About 3,007 shares traded. Equifax Inc., New York Stock Exchange EFX, has risen 11.28% since September 26, 2016 and is uptrending. It is underperformed by 5.42% the S&P 500. Among 8 analysts covering Dialight PLC, LON, 5 have buy rating, 1 sell and 2 hold. Therefore 63% are positive. Dialight PLC had 36 analyst reports since July 27, 2015 according to SRatingsIntel. The stock has buy rating by Peel Hunt on Wednesday, December 7. Stifel Nicolaus maintained it with buy rating and GBX 750 target in Wednesday, March 9 report. The firm has buy rating by N+1 Singer given on Friday, November 25. The stock of Dialight PLC, LON, has hold rating given on Monday, March 14 by Peel Hunt. The firm has hold rating by Peel Hunt given on Tuesday, March 8. N+1 Singer reinitiated it with buy rating and GBX 660 target in Friday, July 31 report. On Tuesday, October 27, the stock rating was maintained by Canaccord Genuity with buy. Stifel Nicolaus maintained Dialight PLC, LON, rating on Friday, February 26. Stifel Nicolaus has buy rating and GBX 750 target. Macquarie Research maintained Dialight PLC, LON, rating on Thursday, December 8. Macquarie Research has neutral rating and GBX 724 target. The stock of Dialight PLC, LON, earned buy rating by Investec on Tuesday, March 8. See Dialight PLC, LON, latest ratings, 6/9/2017 broker, Berenberg rating, sell new target, GBX 620.00 initiate starts. Dialight PLC is a holding company. The firm makes and sells lighting products in the industrial market. The company has market cap of £236.24 million British pounds. It operates through 2 divisions, lighting and signals and components. It has a 56.66 PE ratio. The company's lighting segment develops, makes, and supplies light-emitting diode lighting solutions for hazardous and industrial applications, and includes anti-collision obstruction lighting. About 3,181 shares traded. Dialight PLC, LON, has 0.00% since September 26, 2016 and is dotted as underperformed by 16.70% the S&P 500. Among 16 analysts covering Equifax Inc., New York Stock Exchange EFX, 11 have buy rating, 1 sell and 4 hold. Therefore 69% are positive. Equifax Inc. had 42 analyst reports since July 24, 2015 according to SRatingsIntel. On Friday, April 8, the stock rating was initiated by William Blair with Outperform. The firm earned Outperform rating on Friday, October 28 by RBC Capital Markets. The company was maintained on Friday, March 31 by RBC Capital Markets. The firm has buy rating by RBC Capital Markets given on Tuesday, July 18. The firm has neutral rating by Robert W. Baird given on Friday, July 24. The firm has buy rating by Stifel Nicolaus given on Friday, September 8. The rating was maintained by Barclays Capital with overweight on Friday, March 18. Stifel Nicolaus maintained Equifax Inc., New York Stock Exchange EFX, rating on Friday, July 29. Stifel Nicolaus has buy rating and $143 target. As per Thursday, July 27, the company rating was maintained by Cohen & Company. The rating was downgraded by Morgan Stanley to equal weight on Wednesday, January 18. Investors' sentiment increased to 1.04 in Q2 2017. It's up 0.13 from 0.91 in 2017 Q1. It is positive, as 28 investors sold Equifax Inc. shares, while 181 reduced holdings. 66 funds opened positions, while 151 raised stakes. 105.18 million shares, or 0.34% more from 104.82 million shares in 2017 Q1 were reported. Penobscot Inv Incorporated reported 10,800 shares. RBF Cap Limited Liability Corporation has 10,000 shares for 0.18% of their portfolio. Daiwa SB Limited invested 0.17% in Equifax Incorporated, New York Stock Exchange EFX. Veritable LP invested in 1,992 shares, or 0.01% of the stock. Morgan Chase stated it has 1.49 million shares, or 0.05% of all its holdings. Cap Advisors Limited Liability Corporation holds 3,195 shares. Phil holds 0.01%, or 18,918 shares in its portfolio. WesBanco National Bank has invested 0.08% in Equifax Incorporated, New York Stock Exchange EFX. Finley Park PRTN Limited Liability Partnership accumulated 1.86 million shares. LPL Fin Limited Liability stated it has 27,999 shares. Atlanta Capital MGMT LLC invested in 234,402 shares. 230,194 are held by Investors Asset Management of Georgia ADV. First Mercantile Company holds 4,229 shares, or 0.1% of its portfolio. Macquarie Group Limited reported 85,560 shares. Citi Holdings has invested 0% of its portfolio in Equifax Incorporated.